Come back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, giving your favorite dishes, giving your favorite food. But anyway, we want to talk about summer. You know what I mean? I want to talk to you about my cooking book, my Caribbean Cuisine Cookbook, guys. If you didn't get your copy, you need to get your copy of the Caribbean Cuisine Cookbook, guys. Man, I'm telling you, it's coming up to summer. You need something to keep you in the summer, something to balance you for summer, something which can help you during summer. So get a taste of the recipe for summer, get some tips and idea, and the cooking book there to fill those gaps. The book is only £10, and also it's on Amazon. There's a 50% off at the moment. You can go online on the type of Chef Ricardo Cookbook, Caribbean Cuisine, and you will see a lot of details about my cookbook. Thank you so much, guys, for the support, for the time you're spending watching my video. Leave in the comments. Remember, you can donate to the channel, and also we're coming out with a brand new studio which is gonna help you in your kitchen. So guys, stay tuned as Chef Ricardo give you more recipe day by day, hour by hour, minute by minute. We got a lot of stuff coming out, guys, and trust me, you're gonna love it. Caribbean Cooking Show with Chef Ricardo. See you next time.